Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing wonderful. Welcome back to my channel. Glad to be back again. I've been doing well, and I don't know if you all know, I usually shop at the Hermes boutique in Miami, and was there recently and picked up a few items. So wanted to share that with you all today. And here are the items that I picked up. And this little bag over here. Well, what can I say about the Hermes journey? My Hermes journey. To sum it all up, this is definitely not for the weak. There have been times where I've just been like, you know what? Maybe I should just go the secondary market route and just call it a day. A lot of people actually do that because they do get impatient because even after you've spent over the price of a quarterback, you just don't know when this is going to happen, and not everybody has that patience to just wait and wait and wait. And at this point, well, to be honest, I'm in no rush actually. If it happens this year, that will be great. If not, I know there will always be next year. But one thing I know for sure is I cannot wait for that quarterback to come. But I think I started my Hermes journey last year, February, when I shopped at the Miami boutique for the first time. I was there for a work conference in Miami and stopped at the boutique, met a very nice essay, and I just was like, you know what? I think I'll just start, shopping here. So I never really told her about my desire for a quota bag. And honestly, it wasn't up until December last year did I even mention to her about desiring a quota bag. So we'll see how it goes. I know some of you might think that's kind of late. And a lot of times, you just want to let them know right away. But I was a little bit just hesitant because I didn't want her to think that was all I wanted. So I did take some time, and by December, I believe I'd spent about the cost of a quarter bag at that time. So that was why I felt a little bit more comfortable talking to her about it. I don't know, maybe it's just me being, I don't know, call it shy. I don't know what it is. But yeah, I did tell her my desire. So hopefully she will be able to fulfill that. And I can't wait for that day to come. But in the meantime, let's get to the unboxing for today. Where did we begin? Well, let's start with this little bag here. I was watching one of the YouTubers that I follow. Her name is Naya. Naya, if you're watching, hello. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. It's Neya. She did a beautiful review about the Hermes lip oils. And she had purchased 4 of the lip oils because I think it comes in 4 colors. And at that time, I was like, wow, I really liked 2 of the colors, the rose color and this particular one that I got. So it comes in this little package. This particular one that I got, let's see, what's the name? I actually don't know the name of this, but all it says is Cameron. I think that's how you pronounce it, number 6, if you are able to see that. All right, let's open it up and see this. So this is going to be my first time purchasing the lip oil. And I didn't want to purchase 2 of them because I wanted to use it and see if I would really like it. So this comes in a bright purple color. I usually like purple lipstick or lip oils. But this particular lip oil, one thing I like about it is that it's not only nourishing, it's, as you can see, it's very tinted. So sometimes you might have to reapply it to get the, right color that you want so that the color can pop. But I usually wear my lip tints, lip gloss very sheer. The other one that I wanted to get from the Hermes lip oil is the rose color. But I think that's a rosy nude color. So I have a lot of lip gloss or whatever in that rosy nude color. So that was why I was like, you know what, let me get out of my comfort zone and get this bright purple color and see how it goes. So if I really like it, I probably will add the rose color on. But yeah, I picked this up. And the next beauty item that I picked up, I only picked up 2 beauty items, is the blue mascara from Hermes. And the blue mascara, I usually wear the blue mascara from Dior, and I really love it, especially during summer months, spring, summer months. That's when I pop on my blue mascara and I just love it. So when I found out Hermes has the blue mascara, I was like, yep, I need to pick this up. So the name of this, let's see if you can see it. It's called Blue and Cray. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Beautiful packaging as well. Comes in this little orange box. So I haven't really tried any of this product, so I can't wait to try it. Oops. Excuse me. I'm always dropping stuff when I'm doing my unboxing. Okay. All right. So this is how it comes packaged, and I really like this packaging. It's very discreet. You probably wouldn't know it's Hermes unless you know, it's something that, like, if you pop it out, if you don't know a Hermes beauty product, you probably wouldn't know. But yeah, beautifully packaged. And oh, I like the brush. It's very thin, just like I like my mascara brushes, so that I can get into all the hairs and make sure you have that elongated look. So yeah, this is what the mascara looks like. Let's go ahead and put that away. So the next item I picked up, let's see, we can open this box. Yeah. For all my Hermes lovers, you probably know what this is. Let me hold it up so you can guess. I'm sure you already know. And if you guessed the Oran sandals, yes, you guessed correctly. I can't get enough of the Oran sandals. I think my next Hermes item, shoe-wise, probably would not be any Oran sandals. I think this is good for now. Comes with the invoice. And let's go ahead and see if it's going to tell us the name, the color. So this is Un Topaz. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But let's go ahead and open it up, so that way you can see what color Oran sandals that I picked up. All right. So, of course, comes with this dust bag, and ta-da! It is this beautiful yellow. Oh my gosh, you can tell I love bright colors, just like the shirt I'm wearing. So why not pick up this beautiful orange sandal? It's so beautiful. I love the color. So yeah, I just love this. It's, even though it's that pop of color, I feel like it's not too bright. You can still go with like neutral outfits, or even if you wear bright colors, you could still put on the sandals and it wouldn't be like, why do you have so much colors going on? But yeah, I'm glad this color isn't as bright as I would think. But because I saw this online and then I sent it to my essay. When I went to the boutique, I only picked up the next item and a few other items I'm about to unbox. But this one and then the other ones I just unboxed, I sent to my essay to send them to me. So she was able to send them to me because at this, the particular location, they did not have this color. So she had to order it from, I think this came from, let's see, Las Vegas. Yeah, this came from the Hermes at Wayne Plaza. So let's put that away and get to the next item. So these two items, the rest of this item I picked up at the boutique. They had this in stock, which was great. So I'm sure you all know this is a scarf because of the size of the box. So let's go ahead and open that. Yeah, this is going to be my first cashmere scarf from Hermes. I do have a silk scarf from them, and I really love the print on the scarf. And when I saw this at the boutique, I could not help but want this. Actually, I first saw the scarf with Jamie, she's another YouTuber, Jamie of Lux Petite. She had this scarf, and when I saw it, I was like, wow, those are beautiful colors. Now, Jamie is one that really loves neutral colors. So when she picked this up, I was like surprised because it has some bright colors, as you can see, but at the same time, it can be neutral. So let me open this up so you can see the beauty of this scarf. It is pretty wide. I think this is the 120. Comes in like the 120. So yeah, this is. I don't know if you can really truly see the beauty of the print of the scarf, but it is so beautiful. So beautiful. I can use this all year round. I can use it definitely during the fall winter months because of the orange colors, and I can also use it now during spring summer whenever it's cool. Well, not during the summer, but during the spring months whenever it's cool out, I can use it as a shawl. So that was another reason why I wanted this big size scarf. So the silk pleated scarf I purchased last year summer. I also did the unboxing on my channel, so you guys can also go watch that video if you want to see what the Hermes pleated scarf looks like. It is just absolutely gorgeous, and just like this one too. The key factor for me purchasing this was that I know I could use it all year round because it has colors that could work in the winter months and also colors that could work in the spring, summer months. I mean, look at the blue in there too. It has this blue colors. So I feel like those colors are like the blue colors are spring, summer colors. So excited about this purchase and definitely cannot wait to put it to use. Now let's put it away and get to the last item. So for the last item, I had to go to the boutique to try it on. It's another shoe, as you can tell from the box. It's another shoe. Yeah. So I had to go to the boutique to try this particular item on because I wanted to make sure that it's going to be my right size. Yes, in the Oran sandals, I wear a 10 and a half, but in this particular one, I had to go up another size. So I had to buy this in a 41 because I think this particular, they are the Osmose. I've been wanting them for a while. So the 10 and a half in the Osmose, I don't think it worked out great. So I needed to go up a size to be comfortable. So I was glad I was able to try it on at the boutique before making the purchase. Now, can you guess what color hardware I picked out? Usually I'm a gold girly, but in the Osmule, I just was wanting something different. Now, the Osmules comes in gold, palladium, and rose gold hardware. So this is how it comes. Can you guess the hardware I picked out? Well, I picked out the palladium hardware. Let's go ahead and open that up. So look at how they have this little piece of leather covering that hardware. So they really go through that length to make sure that the hardware doesn't arrive to you scratched up or anything like that, which I do like and appreciate. So let's get this open. Ta-da! So I picked up the Osmules in palladium hardware. Now, the reason why I chose palladium is I wanted that casual look whenever I wear this. I'm going to style it in a very casual way. I know they could be dressy because of the style of the particular muse, but my goal when I style this, when I wear them out, is to have them styled casually. So I just felt the gold might just be a little bit more too dressy for me. So I was like, no, I want the palladium hardware. So I'm so glad I'm so glad even looking at it now. I mean, that's the right choice for me, especially with the way I would like to style it. Now, the rose gold is also another beautiful color way, the black and the rose gold. So I was actually debating between the palladium and the rose gold, but I was like, you know what? Let me go different with the palladium hardware. And guess what? I'm so glad I did. So these are all the items that I picked up from the Hermes boutique. And I have a few more items that I have on my wish list. I probably have to prioritize them and see which one I'm gonna purchase next. But like I said, my Hermes journey, it has been a slow one, definitely, because I started last year, February, and when I'm gonna get this quarter back, I do not know, but I hopefully it's soon. If not, that's okay too. But in the meantime, I will continue shopping until that happens, and after that, we'll see what happens again. Because once you get your one quarter bag, if it's a Birkin first, I did let her know I'm interested in either the Birkin 30 or the Kelly 25. So the color I'm not going to share with you all. I will let that be a surprise. Hopefully that will be the color I get, because you already know how this Hermes games go. You probably might not get what you requested and then be forced to. Well, I would not be forced, because if I do not like it, I will definitely be kind to decline the color if it's not what I would like, because you're paying a whole lot of money for this bag. So you want to make sure it's something that you definitely want. And from the videos I've watched in the past, a lot of times when you do decline the quarter bags, some of the essays, from what I've heard from other YouTubers, actually do understand, and they actually want you to get what it is that you want. So my thing is, why did they give you something that you did not request in the first place? Knowing full well that you might decline it. But I guess maybe they're just trying their luck and trying to be nice to see if you would accept it or not. Anyways, let me stop rambling. Till next time, thank you so much for watching my videos. To my subscribers, I say thank you. To new subscribers too, thank you and welcome. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free to subscribe to this channel, so please go ahead and subscribe. It definitely helps us out and keeps us encouraged to continue filming and putting out content for you all. All right, stay blessed. Bye-bye.